How to create a FuturePay account. First of all, go to the official FuturePay website by typing in futurepay.com in your browser. Once you are on the home page, look for the Sign Up Now button and click on it. This will take you to the account creation page. Next, you will be asked to enter your basic details like your full name, valid email address, company, website, industry, average order value, and yearly online revenue. Make sure the information you provide matches your legal records for identity verification. Once you filled out all the details, click on Sign Up. Then you will need to provide your billing address, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. These are required to check your eligibility and approve your FuturePay credit account. After that, carefully read through the terms and conditions. FuturePay works like a credit line, so understanding the repayment terms, interest rates, and fees is important before you continue. Once you agree to the terms, submit your application. You will usually get a quick response, and if approved, your account will be ready to use immediately for online purchases at participating retailers. Now you know how to create a FuturePay account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.